Hello friends, welcome to Subviji and wish you happy Ugadi to Telugu people and Karnataka people and Gudi Padwa to Maharashtrians. Today we are going to learn Ugadi Pachadi, that is a very special recipe on Ugadi day for Andhra people, and it is special preparation prepared in every Andhra home on Telugu New Year day, and it's made with the fresh tamarind and jaggery, fresh mangoes and neem flowers, and one can add sugar cane, coconut and bananas also, and the sweetness of jaggery, the sourness of tamarind and the bitterness of neem flower, and the pungent flavor of the green mango skin, and the spice of the chili powder, raw tender mangoes taste, and lastly salt from the shedrichlu or sixth taste of the sauce. So here we go to learn this recipe, and first we'll see the ingredients required to prepare this Ugadi Pachadi for tomorrow. For this we need one medium sized green mango, washed, peeled and chopped into small pieces, and otherwise you can grate the mango, and we need 1 cup grated jaggery, and 1 tablespoon of tamarind juice. Soak a small piece of tamarind in water for 5 minutes and extract the juice, and a chopped green chili 1, or you can add red chili powder. Salt to taste, and then 1 tablespoon of neem flowers. Crush them a little between your fingers and take the flowers in a cup. Take all blossom flowers, and 1 ripe banana or 1 cup banana puree, that is optional, and 1 tablespoon chopped coconut, optional. Small pieces of sugar cane, that is optional. And now we'll see the preparation. You can prepare this Ugadi Pachadi in 5 minutes. Now we'll see how it is, and mix all the above ingredients to form a sauce like appearance. Take tamarind paste and into that add jaggery and mango pieces and coconut pieces and chili pieces, and you can add red chili powder if you want, and salt, and after that neem flowers, and make into sauce like appearance, and you can also add small piece of sugar cane and a ripe banana pieces, and putnal pappu, that is roasted chana dal, along with the above ingredients, and can or else you can add banana puree. To prepare this banana puree, take 1 banana and all dry nuts into a mixie jar and make into puree, and add this to Ugadi Pachadi, so that the pachadi will be little thick and looks good, and mix well all these ingredients perfectly, and after that you can roast the dry fruits a little more, and then make to powder, and decorate with this roasted and crushed dry fruits of powder and the Ugadi Pachadi, so that taste will be enhanced. And now Ugadi Pachadi is very much ready. Very special Pachadi for Andhra people, and offer this to God and have this as a prasadam. So each home has its own version of preparing the Ugadi Pachadi, but the main ingredients that is reflecting all the 6 flavors are specified above, and mirrored a rich taste of this delicacy trickles and lingers on our tongue for a long time, leaving a medley of flavors. And the flavors of the Ugadi Pachadi signifies that the mixture of bitter mangosa flavors and a sweet jaggery reflect the myriad facets of life and both joy and sorrow, and prepares one to face both good and bad in the year to come. So during this season, we find people eating neem flowers and flowers at the onset of Vasanta Ritu and how the spring season, as it's a countermeasure of kapha dosha individuals. So that is Subhakankshulu, and wishing you all a very happy Ugadi and a great year ahead. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Keep watching my videos and like and subscribe.